Yo guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my breakfast. Typical breakfast I have in the morning. It's a Sunday today. Nothing changes though. Doesn't change anything. I'm still going to have the same breakfast, pretty much. That's the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the kettle. Put some water in the kettle. If you guys are new to the channel, please, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. A lot more awesome content coming. Workout videos, etc. So we got the kettle going now. And the reason I'm boiling the kettle is because I'm gonna have oats and I'm gonna have a coffee. So just set the camera up in a nice little spot. Pouring the oats. So I'm having the oats, the kettle's boiled, and then I'm going to be frying up the eggs. So I'll show you how many oats. See, not that much. What do? I just pour in the water, the hot water, straight away, just the hot water. Nothing else. No microwave, nothing. Just let it soak in. So you guys can see a bit of oil. That's it. It's actually winter over here right now, so it's a bit cold like today. You've got to stay consistent, you know. You gotta stay consistent with gym, you gotta stay consistent with your diet. I say diet, with your meals, your eating, your lifestyle. Like that. It's all a lifestyle, it's not a diet. You know, you gotta do it like every day. Every single day, it's just a lifestyle, it's the way you live. So this breakfast this is what I have basically every day. And I wake up and I have it, and it's basically just my lifestyle. The way I live, so that's the way you gotta think about it. You know, there's no diet. It's not a diet. You know, a diet is temporary. So like if I'm having a diet, that's basically like me dieting for a show. I'm not gonna eat like that year round, or dieting for a photo shoot. I'm not gonna eat like that year round. It's only gonna be for about 10 to 15 weeks. That's it, and then it's over. You know. So, so what I do now is a lifestyle, it's just the way I live, so that's the way you gotta think about it now. You gotta enjoy it. And you've also gotta think about longevity too, If you don't enjoy something, and it's not gonna last long term. So when it comes to instant coffee, I usually get this one, the original. But yesterday I just decided to buy this one. Never tried it before, so I'm gonna give it a review and let you guys know what it's like. Okay, so now I'm making my coffee. Opening up this new one. So I might as well try it out. Instant coffee, there it is. So this video will be coming out after I upload the video with Romeo, which I'm about to upload. And if you guys haven't seen that one, go check it out. And if you guys like these vlog style content, please also let me know in the comments, and just make me aware that it's the kind of thing you guys want to see, and I'll keep posting. And of course, I enjoy doing those workout videos too, where I don't really say much, and I just do a workout for you guys to follow along with. They're pretty fun, so I'll keep on doing those as well. But if you guys want me to push out more vlog content, then just let me know, man. Let me know. Okay, so we got the oats, the porridge. Haven't made my coffee yet, and then I got the eggs, and you can notice they're a little bit crispy, and that's just the way I like it. And here's just an extra tip for you guys, especially for you guys who are trying to put on muscle. A banana is also great to have with your breakfast. You can add it into your oats if you want to. But for me, I just have it separately, just the way it is. And it's just great, extra carbs to start your day and more calories, good calories.